Okay, I'd like to know what you guys' opinion is on this. You see, we had a pop on the earnings here, kind of do like a bull flag, pop more, and then retested the support of this bull flag. We come back here again, another big pop, kind of do like a bull flag, go off, and then come back down, retest the bottom of this bull flag support, and then kind of go from there. This was all consolidation or accumulating phase. Now we're definitely, I think we're escalating, because this part right here with this price action really looks like it's kicking off again. Like it can do this again. And being high, it can probably rip even faster. Earnings 1.9, 12. That's better earnings here. So yet again, what I'm looking for tomorrow on Carvana, sure, it could pop, and it can come back down here, retest this 47 area or $50 area if you want to be very psychological. And if you see this being held by the 13 EMA by pre-market, then I guess at that point, really wait until lunch hours. See if by power hour that consolidation turns into more power. Same thing with Upstart here. You got your hourly trend line here, 1 touch, 2 touch. Your 15 moving average saves this. You can see the 13 EMA is kind of lagging here, but this time it's a different story. We're actually holding it. Yet again, we'll have to take a look at the pre-market action. You got some red here, but who knows? That small little red could quickly turn into a pop. So just keep that in mind. I think it really sets the theme tomorrow with what's going on here in Tesla. So bottom base support right here. This is kind of what I like to see tomorrow. Hold and then get ready for a pre-market dead buy. So keep that in watch. This might be a multi-swing idea for next week. Netflix usually likes to, what price was that again? 280. So yeah, I was looking for 286 did buy, but this time it's 280. As I said, above 265, this is where the FOMO level catches in. It's a really slow run. So this time you got 280 or 277. That's the low here. You see here. Yeah, that's nearly the 13 EMA. So expect to see some upwick here. Maybe be a 400 swing into August. Maybe get 2 weeks time. You see, still got this dip. I has to be really aggressive because we're still rising here. Let's take a look at other indicators here. There you go. Small pop right here. Keep an eye on that MACD. Netflix. Let's take a look where this is headed. I heard a few comments of this thing going back to 400. All right. So let's see how low is it right now. Here is your Head and Shoulders resistance, which is usually a pretty powerful resistance. Now it turns into support. So keep in watching pre-market, see if we kind of curl a little bit. If it looks like a descending triangle, then we see more downside from here. All right. So dips could be bought. You have this breakout, fake out, and then the trap, and then go crazy up again. You got your MACD here. I think Netflix could use a breather though. Like it could come back up again. You know what this really reminds me of? This reminds me of a back division. See, you kind of dump and kind of curl back up again, and then just pop out of nowhere. So that's kind of what Netflix reminds me of. You take a look at the monthly chart here. So you see, it looks like, well, what are we closing around this month? What is this? Surprised again. 477 after hours. So what's the price in after hours again? Oh, I'm so tired, guys. 438. All right. Take a look and imagine this in the monthly chart. 438. Yep, that's right there. Literally at the open. Open of the month is 439. Considering the same pattern we had on NVIDIA here, we could definitely buy the dip, and by the end of the month, it closes at 477 again for August. Maybe we get this last final rip into 580 or 600, like you see in the flows. Netflix is a slow one. Tesla is a little bit more aggressive. Just look how aggressive this looks. We got one more week after that. So maybe these guys can cool off for a little bit. There will be some bounce potential, but I think most of my focus is going to go back into crypto and these brokers here. See, we got Hood, Robinhood. You can speculate they're going to re-enlist XRP here, and this thing blows up. You got the same pattern here. See, target $16, breaking out of 12, kind of like Coinbase. See Coinbase right here. They broke out of this level, retested this level so far. Another one is SOFI. SOFI, kind of bull flagging here in the monthly chart. But I think Hood sounds like a better setup going into tomorrow. These guys could got earnings coming up, so maybe just stay away from those. Where's the earnings on Hood? Earnings on Hood. So it looks like a little bit stronger close right here. Would like to see a retest of this trend line here, as you see, and then get a swing for next week. Like $15 calls or $14 calls. It's a really nice structure here, dude. Look how nice the structure is. So there's one structure there. There's another structure there. Accelerating. And I believe I took a trade on coin. Right there. I'm expecting this to put a 120. Let's see if we'll get there. Second week, we're still green, and we had a clear breakout above this level, retest of this level. We can go higher than that. This is the weekly chart. I hope we can break out of this level. If not, that's cool. I will look at the tape at 116, see if the asks are still strong. Maybe next week we can pop off on this bull flag here. Tomorrow's Thursday. So that's my main watch, coin, hood. We have been watching. So let's take a look at the solar plays here. Interesting. You got earnings again on this, and last time it did bad. The other time it did good. Earnings play. Interesting. We got another structure here of a trend line. So this could, yet again, pop again tomorrow when you least expect it, or maybe just consolidate for a little while. Maybe another swing idea, but not a big fan of FSLR because it's overweight. Look at a run. What in the world is going on over here? Oh, that's a setup. Sun Power, SPWR, I believe it's called. SWPR. Oh, yeah, Shop. Shop is also looking like another decent setup. Earnings run up. $75 calls into next week. Let's see if I got it. If I got anything else. Iron Q. AVGO. AVGO just looks ridiculously scary. NVIDIA. Here's another setup. Gosh, these charts could just be nicer. Let's go ahead and draw another trend line here. Benefit of the doubt. Expect some green tomorrow. Look at your hourly here. Look at that. It's already kind of bouncing. You look at the S&P 500. It's kind of already bouncing in after hours. Any other tickers you want me to look at, let me know. I think I am also swinging the cybersecurity stocks. So we got this right here, same pattern. So you got a very nice structure here. Let's redraw this. It's kind of like your trend line there. It looks like this wants to perhaps cool down a little bit more or go up higher. Let's think about acceleration period again. Since we are accelerating, similar price action to here, or we could retest the support, pop it back up. Another one is net. That's your support there. This thing went up all the way up to 76, man. Man, these 80 calls were crazy out of the money. We'll see if this bounces with the SPY tomorrow. But overall, I kind of expect to see some consolidation tomorrow or rip broader markets. Are leaning pretty bearish tomorrow. Among some names. So it all depends what the SPY does. Let's see right here. Closed here. Looks like the laggers will eventually catch up to the S&P, but the target in the S&P is definitely 460 still. All right, that's about it. Thanks for watching.